My dear students, I am Pathak sir, a mathematics teacher from Modern English High School, Guwahati. The question which I have selected to do on the board is from Triangle chapter for the students of class 9, exercise 7.2. Here you see, question is written like that. In an isosceles triangle ABC. Which triangle is called isosceles? The triangle which has two sides equal. Here you see, with the sides AB is equal to AC. The bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. Join AO so that OB is equal to OC, AO bisect angle A. Here, first of all, we have to draw the diagram. Then you will get the information and everything will be clear. Here you see, let me draw. Or you can write it, okay? This is isosceles triangle. A, B, C is an isosceles triangle. Which are the things equal? AB is equal to AC. And which angles bisectors are given? Bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O. Join AO. I have joined. As it is given in the question, I have drawn. So here, everything ABCD etc. are given. So I am writing here given. After drawing the figure, I have to write given. Given ABC is an isosceles triangle. Whatever given, I have written isosceles triangle. One more thing is given. AB is equal to AC. Now, BO and CO are bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. I have written here respectively. You remember it. Now what I have to do to prove? What is to prove? First one, OB is equal to OC. And second one, you have to prove AO bisects angle A. Dear friends, let me start now. That is called what? Proof. Remember, once again I am telling you, whenever you are going to prove some theorems or some questions, first of all diagram is required. After diagram, either you have to write let or given. Here I have written given because already ABC etc. are given. And then to prove. After to prove, construction also required some time. Here construction is not required in this figure, so I have not written construction. After that, the final step, that is proof. Here you see, select this triangle. In triangle, you can write in triangle ABC. AB is equal to AC. From where it has come? Given. Therefore, if two sides are given, that means what? two angles. You see, in some triangle, this side is equal to this side, so this angle is equal to this angle. So you can write angle B is equal to angle C. Like that you can write. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle C you can write. What will be the reason? Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay. After that, therefore, if angle B is equal to angle C, so half of B is equal to half of C. Both sides you multiply by half, you are getting half C. Therefore, you are getting half of B. What you will get? This small angle, that is 1. This small angle, that is their half. I am writing 2. This half, some indication I have to give. So you can write half of B, we have taken 1. Half of C, we have taken 2. My dear students, here we don't have a space, so I am going to rub the question and create some space above. Here what happens? Now in a triangle OBC you see. Now in triangle OBC, what are the things you got? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Therefore, what will happen? Whenever two angles are equal, their opposite sides should be equal. Here you see OBC, this triangle. Here what happened? This angle is equal to this angle, 1 is equal to 2. So their opposite sides will be equal. So OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. This one you got. Okay. My dear students, so one proof you got. Now what is the second proof? AO bisect angle A. Now in a triangle ABO, this was proof 1. So you might have written here proof 1. Now proof 2 I am writing, or simply in case of proof 2 how can you write? Here you see, you consider these two triangles. One is ABO and another is ACO. So in triangle ABO and triangle ACO, what are the things you are getting? You collect 3 terms are required, 3 points are required. So you can write AO is equal to AO. Why it is so? AO is equal to AO. This triangle and this triangle you consider. AO is equal to AO because common side. Okay. Then one more. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. From where I got AB is equal to AC? AB is equal to AC given. Okay. One more thing is required. One more thing what you have to take. So this side is equal to this side, common side. AB is equal to AC you got, and OB is equal to OC. OB is equal to OC. Why it is so? You got in proof 1. We got from proof 1. We got in proof 1. I think you understood. So you see, side. By side, we can take these two triangles are equal. Therefore, triangle ABO congruent to triangle ACO. One postulate is there. If in two triangles, three sides of one are equal to the three sides of the another, then both the triangles will be equal. So it becomes by side, side, side. Okay. When these two triangles are equal, that means what? This angle is equal to this angle, you can write. Therefore, you can write this angle is equal to this angle. What is the name of this angle? Therefore, angle BAO is equal to angle CAO, CPCT. Therefore, what happens? AO is bisector of angle is solved. I think, my dear students, you understood, and if you understood, please subscribe my channel so that when you have some new video I will upload on YouTube, you will get the information immediately. Thank you, my dear students. Don't waste your time. Every day I am giving one or more videos. You must follow it. Don't think that there will be directly physical class work or class teaching, as we don't have any program up till now.